Hi day traders and investors, today is Tuesday, May 28. I'm glad to share a fresh market with you prepared for InstaForex. My trading idea for the British pound based on the breakthrough strategy worked out well yesterday. Before I begin the review, let's look up at the economic calendar. Our consumer sentiment index will be released in the US later today. The US GDP will be available tomorrow. Now let's discuss technical charts. Gold is now trading lower after a stunning rally last week. I don't see any trading signals according to the breakthrough strategy or stop hunting strategy. In fact, the price is making correctional moves. I foresee that a lot of traders will try to earn on these corrections. Still, I don't see a nice trading opportunity with good risks. Obviously, the sellers will set stop losses above yesterday's highs and the buyers will set stop orders below the lows of this week. I cannot suggest a trading plan for gold. The euro-dollar pair is extending its amazing growth. Yesterday, there was active buying and the price formed a pattern called a trend following false breakout or a shock for long positions. The buy stop losses were triggered in the New York session yesterday. Then, the instrument resumed its growth. Those who were betting on the breakout of a low formed on May 23 have already earned 200 pips. I reckon that we'll see their take profits by the New York session. Curiously, American traders were buying the euro-dollar yesterday and on Friday. Currently, I don't see a nice market entry points for long positions with a tight stop loss and nice profit-loss ratio. The pound sterling was the hero of the day yesterday because my bullish trading plan worked out all right. The idea was to take 200 pips from a breakout of high formed on May 24. A stop loss was set 300 pips down. Meanwhile, the instrument is carrying on with its rise. The question is how much it can grow being a trend-following instrument. The answer is as high as possible. But this information is not enough to earn money. Any trading idea should be planned with certain risks. Recently, I'm trading the pound sterling by means of the breakthrough strategy. All in all, I made 4 bets on the British pound according to the breakthrough strategy, 200 pips each. Hence, I've earned a total of 200 pips. The first was long bet on May 3 after the non-farm payrolls. I'm pleased that the sterling is more predictable than the euro. The Australian dollar has been growing. I remind you that the ultimate target for long position is 0.69. This level is the high printed last summer. Those who have already bought the instrument are good traders. Those who haven't done it yet, I suggest you see opportunities to open long positions. The USD CAD pair has been drifting lower. I'm showing you a pin bar of the last week, a bearish target and the bottom of the bullish bar. All these levels will be broken by a strong candlestick. I assume that US GDP will be weak tomorrow, so the instrument may tumble. The dollar-yen pair stalled at a swing high formed in early May. I'm bearish about this instrument. I don't see any good downward targets except the bottom of the third impulse wave. The yen strengthened to the level after Forex intervention by the Bank of Japan. This level is a perfect point to go long. That's all I wanted to tell you today. See you later again.